If you have a list of contacts, including their phone numbers, that you need to import into Constant Contact for your SMS campaigns, we'll show you how it's done. To begin, click Contacts, click Add Contacts, and then choose how you want to import your contacts. Select Upload from File. Before you choose your file for upload, please make sure that you have a column in your spreadsheet for the SMS number, aka the mobile phone number, and a column showing the SMS consent date. You need to have consent from your contacts in order to send them text messages with Constant Contact, so these columns are crucial to importing your contacts. Once you've selected your file, make sure the SMS number field matches the SMS number column, and be sure the same is true for the SMS consent field. Once you've confirmed both are correctly matched, click Continue. Lastly, once more confirm your consent both for email and SMS communications. Then click Import. And that's how easy it is to import a list of your SMS contacts with Constant Contact.